from here. Just it's being live streamed. Got it. Just so we have a backup recording, because if I can go live to my YouTube channel, I can then download that whole program too.
Ted, this is the coolest thing ever.
Right?
This is
So this
really
is
cool.
so the only problem I got right now is that I'm seeing the. Well, let me share it with you. Hold on. Well, let me share it with you. Are you seeing the live
Hold on.
stream?
Yeah.
Is it frozen?
No.
Well, let me share it with you. Are you seeing the live
Hold on.
stream? So it actually
Yeah.
is showing right now what I shared. Is it frozen inside of Zoom?
No.
Well, let me share it with you. So
Oh, it keeps on going like in and in
are you
and
seeing the live
in.
stream? Yeah, because so it actually
Yeah.
is showing right now. So I'm going to
now-
stop sharing what I shared, because the problem is that I'm sharing the same thing we're doing right now.
Ew. Yeah. That makes sense.
Oh my gosh.
All right. What if I
Now, so you see how it says Zoom on it though? So it doesn't show the back. Oh, you can't see the stream anymore.
you want to just send me the link to it and I can just pop it up open over here?
The problem is I am hearing that at the same time as I'm hearing you,
Oh,
and I
mute.
don't want to hear that. So you have the link for the stream.
Okay. Well, I just muted. Did I mute us? Who did I mute? Do you hear me?
I hear you. I'm just
Okay.
trying to get rid of. Okay. So the stream is still happening. I just have it muted on my side.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Same thing here.
So now you can see that we're streaming, but it says Zoom on it, but it does have, the outline,
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
let me do this next. I'm going to share with you a slideshow, and what I want to try to do. Well, first, what I want to do, this is our practice, right? So I'm going to play you video. Tell me what the video sounds like and looks like to you. Here we go.
Okay.
Hello, internet friends. Welcome back. Where's my coffee? Shall we? Today's lesson might seem simple, but I have video called with enough friends this week to realize that y'all could use some serious help. Looking just a little bit more professional and definitely more presentable on video calls. Like a lot of people, I use Zoom, and that's mostly because trying to figure out my Skype password that I made when I was 18 has been like... But with the uptick in Zoom users has come an up...
How's it look and sound?
So it looks good and sounds good, but if you take a look, there is like a black bar right above her head. And I think that's where it says you are in a practice session.
Yeah.
Yep.
And
So I can see that. And then there's
I
another.
cannot. So that's just during our practice.
Oh.
So that should go away. Go ahead. What else do you see?
And then at the very top, there's another black bar.
And
At
that is my sharing bar.
Okay.
All right, which you normally can move that. So I could move that to a second screen so you no longer see that, right?
Here you go. Perfect.
All right, so take a look at your other machine now.
Yep.
Well, you know what I'm going to do is stop sharing.
Mhm.
Take a look at your other machine, and I'm going to start the webinar, and let's just see what that looks like, and know that you're going to get sound through that. That
I
may
already
be like
did
a duplicate. Okay, here we go. And it didn't do anything. It was supposed to start it,
Yep. So I'm in.
but my phone is not. So you see us right now. Oh, there you go. Yep, it just opened up on my phone.
So maybe like waiting 30 seconds to make
Yeah.
sure that everybody is in, or a minute.
Yeah, what's weird is the layout on the phone. Layout on the phone is really strange. And there's nothing I can really do about it. I don't know what I did. I minimized the event and then it went away, which I didn't want to do.
So one thing that's also really interesting is that as there are these black bars here, and I think that's for names.
You think it's what?
Names. And I can't see the orange.
You don't see the orange, right? And did that change it at all? No, right? Okay, are you talking? Or are you muted?
No, I'm muted. I'm muted. I'm just not talking.
So it doesn't, you don't see the orange.
And I don't see the names.
Our names?
So where our names are supposed to be, it's just like a black bar. I can show you again.
Yeah, it's a little hard for me to see it. Oh, there are black bars. Well, what's that all about? Okay, the next step. Let me just try this PowerPoint again. And
I'm going to mute myself here.
okay,
And I'm going to, whatever. You'll understand why, so that I can hear everything. Yep.
okay. So here's the, you're seeing the slide now, and how's that looking on the laptop? So the two of us are still, so let me just act like I am the presenter, and I'm going to remove the spotlight from you. I'm just watching your screen. Is there still a place for you on that screen? Are there two people next to it? You're seeing a gallery view? So go ahead.
So I don't have any options for gallery view. Whatever I see is what I see. And so right now, it's just you and me. Let me try and turn off my video.
Yeah, but then I have to have everybody do that the whole show, right?
That worked.
So the person's next to the slide?
Yep.
So when we run the show, I need people to turn their cameras on and off? Or did we just tell them they're on the whole time? Well, let's try second thing on that laptop. Do you have your sound on so you can hear the video and see the video?
Yep. I'm going to mute myself here though.
Yeah.
So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, internet friends. Welcome back. Where's my coffee? Shall we? Today's lesson might seem simple, but I have video called with enough friends this week to realize that y'all could use some serious help. Looking just a little bit more professional and definitely more presentable.
Okay, tell me what you're thinking.
I think I think I should turn off the speaker. I think it looks it sounded good. There weren't any black bars anywhere, so you were right in that it was the
Yep.
we'll call it the in practice and your share bar. So that's good. I think there was a bit of lag, but that could have also been me trying to like figure stuff out real quick.
Okay, so imagine this, that when people come in, they're going to see this, which
Crap,
is...
crap. Sorry, I had to take you on. I had to mute you here.
Okay. Do you hear me now?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, and I'm hearing it come back to me. So where are you hearing it out of?
Where am I hearing it out of? Oh, my little speaker friend here. I
Okay.
can put headphones on if that's better.
No, it's okay. I don't hear it kick back this time. All right. So imagine that this is the opening slide. So when we hit broadcast, the slide will be up with whatever video people we have on the side. I think I need to do that instead of yeah, I just wish I could make the scene a little bit nicer on the attendee side. Do you see, are you able to size the slide on your laptop? Is there something in between
Yeah.
the slide and the people so the people get bigger and the slide gets smaller?
Yeah.
How bad is that?
So I essentially can do this. So the slide is right there, and then
So can you make the slide bigger?
and then I
Not the whole size? Oh, so there's only two options, or can you do something in between that?
something in between. Yeah.
So show me what you think would be a good layout so you can read the slide and see the people.
Crap. Always. Wrong button, Max. Probably somewhere around this size.
So
I can take a screenshot.
yeah, just for your own sake, because I think that if we're going to try to model anything for the videos that we do, and we want it to look like the rest of the show, that the only thing is like, so for right now, I can stop your video, which means that but now I can't see. Now I can't see what your laptop looks like. Sorry.
Oh, and I can't even restart because you cannot start your video because the host has stopped it.
Yeah, so I have to like give you that. I have to give you.
Functionality.
Yeah, well, what I can do is I can say ask to start video. You see? What's interesting is that you didn't show back up on my phone right now, which is where I have Zoom happening. I mean, yeah. I can't even like change the aspect ratio. Oh, there you go. Yep, I did. But I cover the slide a little bit. Do you see yourself inside of on your laptop?
Yep.
Isn't that funny that you didn't show back up?
Well, I turned myself off for a second and then maybe, yeah. But
Yeah.
when you originally were like start your video, I saw myself on.
And you have no choice on how to view this, right?
Yep. I can only make it go full screen. And by the way, I have the option of view stream on YouTube as an attendee.
Interesting. I don't. Well, let me hit it again. More. Yeah, I don't have that option on a phone.
So I'll just.
Okay. So the other thing I want to do is, while we're doing this, so forgive me for doing so many things, but is I want to record this on the cloud to see what that recording looks like, right? So just having a little trouble getting there. Record to the cloud. Okay, so we're gonna try something new. You ready? You ready here? Something more. I have more features.
Heck yeah.
You can now control the slides.
So boopity boppity, boop boop, blop blop.
Hello, internet
Boop,
friends.
boop.
Welcome back. Where's my coffee?
I understand you about coffee, lady. All right, cool, cool. Boop boop, bop bop, omni-channel events.
Hello, internet
Boop,
friends.
boop, bop,
Welcome
bop, we're
back.
back.
Yeah, and that's the end of the presentation. So you could probably go backwards if you wanted to, right?
Boop. Mhm.
So let's imagine now that I'm just producing this thing and you're the presenter, right? What does that look like on your screen right now? Because I do have the orange background on my screen. Do you?
Nope. So I don't have it as part of the panelist either because it's just large. But
No, I meant on your laptop.
yeah, no, I don't see anything on my laptop. No orange, nothing.
You see the slides and you see yourself. Is that what you see?
Sure.
Okay. But so here's what I'm thinking. Are you ready for this? I'm thinking that I'm getting on and I'm coaching them and I'm doing the countdown and I'm loading the slide deck that has all the videos inside the PowerPoint. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're controlling the slide deck and you're recording on your end in OBS.
Mm-hmm. Wait, I'm recording in OBS, but they're the ones who are controlling the slides.
No, you are. You'll have a script,
Okay.
but I'm giving you slide control as I just did, so that you're just following the slides based on the script.
Okay. Yeah. So boopity boppity, boop boop boop. And on the last boop, they're like personalization.
Hello, internet friends. Welcome back. Where's my coffee? Shall we? Today's lesson might seem simple, but I have video called with enough friends this week to realize that y'all could use some.
Okay. So
Okay.
one of the things that I just noticed is the first like 7 seconds of the video did have that lag that I was talking about earlier.
Yeah, I wonder if it's the type of video, because there's a lot of cuts and stuff.
Yeah.
So-
But then after that, totally fine. And I'm taking a look at the YouTube channel right now too. No problem streaming the video.
Okay. I mean, one of the issues is going to be that I'm here with an okay internet connection,
Mhm.
and I just wonder how much of that is affecting all of this.
Oh no. Like I said, it's fine on the YouTube channel where I'm having yeah.
Well, that's my point,
It
though,
might
is
be
that
it might be me.
and it might be me, right? But I mean, your bandwidth is pretty good for download, though, right?
Yeah.
So, but I'm uploading all this data,
Yeah.
which is why. I mean, I don't have awful internet, but it's not perfect.
Yeah.
So my thought is that we have everybody come in to the meeting so I can adjust their cameras, right? Tell them how the show will go. They're basically reading scripts, which is going to be awkward. And then
Yeah.
I will break up the PowerPoint presentation that I have to, because otherwise I would have to do something like this. I would have to stop the share, the person's talking,
Go back.
go back.
Yeah. What I'm saying is like you'd have to do quite a bit of stuff.
Right, and then I'd have to find a video
Yeah.
and share that,
Mhm.
and we're still dealing with bandwidth stuff,
Yeah.
So if I say share video, like I really know where this video is, I'll have to just find one. Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's interesting because what I'm seeing on YouTube right now is that you are, whatchamacallit, you're the main person. And what's interesting as well, on YouTube, you actually see who it is. but on my laptop, like my name is still blacked out. I wonder if it's a me setting.
I don't know. What happens when one of the ways that I like to help people when it comes to the work that I do is to help them to look and sound as good as they can look and sound. And so I've got 5 tips for you that will help you when you're using a webcam or using a camera to record or to be at a virtual meeting. The first tip, now that seems to be going to YouTube fine, right?
And it's going to my laptop perfectly. There was no stepping at all,
Because it wasn't coming out of PowerPoint.
most likely.
So rewind a little bit because you were telling me something else and I was doing something while you were talking, which is what my wife hates about me most.
Hey, I'm multitasking. It's fine. But on the YouTube channel, you can see my name when I start talking. As an attendee, I cannot see my name. So I'm wondering if it's my preference or
It could be something inside of Zoom. So we may have to do some other testing, on this. But were you saying you were seeing me at one point?
yeah. I was only so in the YouTube thing.
Okay.
I was seeing you.
Yeah, part of it was that I was spotlit. So if I spotlight for everyone you,
Yeah.
right? And then I go ahead and I share again, and I share a video file, and I share that same video file. We'll just try a different one, I guess one that's maybe heavier.
Going heavy. I got a couple of gigs. I have Magnify shows on here.
I just meant the actual, how big they are,
Yeah, no, Magnify show. Oh, look at you.
3, 2, 1. In the book This is Marketing, Seth Godin suggests identifying the smallest viable market for your product or service. We should obsessively focus on a specific, tiny group of people who share a similar worldview. Godin is referring to a niche audience, and that's where your content system begins. A self-sustaining content system is built on addressing the unmet need. So that looked okay on YouTube.
Yep.
How did it work there?
Good.
So if I had that embedded in PowerPoint, I guess that's what the problem would be.
Yeah.
That's not good. Okay, gonna try one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get mad at me.
No.
Oh my gosh. Let me just, give me a second, please. I'm sorry. OBS. Good. Start virtual camera. That'll be just one moment.
Hmm?
I did something wrong, which is common for me. What the heck is a VLC video source? Isn't that a video file? Sorry. Oh, I needed a media source. That's what I did wrong. Okay, sorry about that. I'm learning, as you are.
I just get to see a bunch of really cool stuff. And in the meantime, I'll see if this is a me problem, actually.
Around seeing stuff?
Yeah, the black bar instead of the name.
right, you ready for this? I don't know if you are.
Please.
Do you see me? Do you see a video of me
Upstairs, yeah.
upstairs? Okay.
Oh, gallery.
So,
Now I see it. Now we're back in gallery for
all right,
me.
so hold on a second. So I'm going to replace the spotlight and make it me.
Uh-huh.
And now if I play this video, are you hearing audio?
No. But I am seeing you play. But no audio. Hold on. Ah, no, it's just me talking.
So I guess that's because I would have to send the audio of this thing to Zoom. I need to make the input something different. Yeah. So I'd have to figure that out in Zoom. Okay. There's more work for me to do. Okay,
Now I only see
so
you, by
can
the
we
way.
just rewind for a second here, right? What's working, what's not?
Okay.
What do you think?
So because you are spotlit, I only see you right now as an attendee.
Right, so that's part of what I have to do, right? So if I spotlight you for everyone, you're the only one that's seen, right?
Yep.
So as I go through the agenda, I can change the spotlighting of people, but there's always going to be a slide deck that's playing with them. So if I'm spotlighting you and sharing that PowerPoint deck again, right? What does that look like in as an attendee?
Yep. So it's you and me.
So you see the
And the deck.
slide, right?
Yeah.
And you're able to forward that slide. Go ahead and forward it.
Now I'm not able to anymore.
I wonder why. Slide control, all because I have to enable it every time. All right, you have it now.
Hello, internet friends. Welcome back. Where's my coffee? Shall we? Today's lesson might seem simple, but I have video called with a
Did you stop it?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so if I give you slide control from the very beginning, we're okay. But if the video's not playing the way we want it to, then that's not great, is it?
But like I said, it's great on the YouTube thing.
Okay. I suppose I can be up at Pellet for this too, so that I have better upload speed.
See, that's the thing. I honestly don't think that it'll matter.
Okay.
Just because it's from PowerPoint, and no matter what, I've always had issues playing a video from PowerPoint.
Okay, I'm just gonna share screen just stopped. I don't know why. I must have done something. So just give me 1 second here as we're just thinking through.
Gave me such good advice yesterday.
What happened?
But he gave me such good advice yesterday on OBS.
Oh, did that work for you, what I gave you?
I didn't try it yet. But so you used Oh, I can do that. BRB real quick. See the thing that monitor that he has?
Yeah.
Got one.
You got one too?
Yeah.
Did Pellet buy it for you? Or did you go out and buy it yourself?
Because I was like, this is bomb.com and I'm going to use it no matter what.
What'd you say?
I said it's bomb.com and I don't want to give it up. Oh, so the idea. So I won't be able to pin anybody. But
Okay, I'm gonna try something totally wild. So just bear with me because I just love messing around. Did you notice that about me?
well, do you not see this? Like I'm doing the same thing as you. And you said display capture. Whoa. Okie dokes. And then I just got to do audio. Okay, so for the audio, what do I use?
I'm not following you because I was doing something myself. So what do you need?
So in OBS, what is the audio that I use?
Desktop?
Audio input capture.
Are you doing a display capture right now?
Yes.
So did not the audio just show up? Let me
Yeah,
get
it does. I guess so. Yeah.
Right,
So,
you're seeing desktop audio bouncing right now, right? But
mhm,
just when I talk, because it won't pick up your mic because you're in Zoom.
mhm. Well, it actually will pick it up. And
Well, we don't want you to record your mic.
no. It's recording this mic as opposed to my mic. Do
Which
you understand
mic?
what I'm saying?
No, which mic? You're pointing to your computer?
Yeah, so this is the mic that is currently on, not the one that's here
So
on my laptop.
you're seeing levels when you in OBS when you talk?
Yes, because what's happening is that it's the Zoom that's coming through. Actually, no, I can hear. Hold on.
You shouldn't see levels for your voice. You should only see them for mine unless you have your mic selected. You see the audio mixer there?
Yeah.
So go ahead and talk and see, you might see levels down where it says mic aux and you can mute that, but you really want just the desktop audio when you go to record. Because that'll be the whole Zoom feed.
Um, mm.
So are you still there?
Yep.
I just tried something that might be interesting for you to see in this Zoom share. So just give me a sec. Somebody's in the church playing the organ, which I've never heard anyone do here before.
I
ever.
hear it. It's like,
I-
oh man,
I
Ted's really in
can't
his music.
I can't believe it that they're doing that. I mean, it's all good. I don't mind. It's just I'm surprised. Somebody's practicing. PowerPoint slideshow. Yeah, that's what I should be sharing, but it's just not doing it. Oh, show all windows. Makes it even harder to work from this place if I got to deal with that. With people starting to play the piano while I'm here. I mean, the organ. Hold on, I have to see who this is. It looks like it's the pianist. She must have been asked to do this. Oh well. I'm really kind of weird. It's just weird what's going on here because I have the PowerPoint up in show mode, but it's not showing that as what I'm sharing to you. Right? Because you're seeing like resume slideshow. So are you seeing the slideshow now? Or the edit interface for
The
PowerPoint?
edit interface.
Okay. New share. Screen 2. Share. Okay, now you're seeing this, right?
Yep.
And I'm going to give you slide control. And go ahead to the next slide.
Zoom's Focus Mode is a new feature designed to help students pay attention during online class by only letting them see the teacher and not each other. In this video, we'll go over what that looks like from both the teacher and student perspectives. Now, if you have ever attended or hosted a Zoom webinar...
Hello, internet friends. Welcome back. Where's my coffee? Shall we? Today's lesson might seem simple, but I have video called with enough friends this week to realize that y'all could use some serious help.
So what's really interesting about that is that the first video stuttered at the beginning for 5-6 seconds, and then for the second video started perfectly.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the post-production for the videos we're going to roll, right? Because it's these recordings that we make of people with their slides, right? We could, because the slide is going to be the most of it and the person's going to be smaller on screen, it may not stutter as much up front, right? Because the only thing that's moving is the person.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we'll be okay doing it this way. What do you think?
I think so.
Sky, I just figured, well, if I'm giving you, YouTube out of PowerPoint, because you can insert, an online video, that maybe that would perform better, but it didn't really, did it?
Just now?
Yeah, it performed the same as the local video file I had, right?
Runs straight through, runs clean through.
No, you said it stuttered at first, the Zoom video, right?
So on my, as an attendee,
Yep.
the first video stuttered for 5-6 seconds. On YouTube, totally fine. The second video, no problems, both as an attendee and on the YouTube.
Okay, but what about inside of Zoom? Did you watch it on Zoom as well, where you are? What was it like for you as a panelist to watch it?
Okay, hold on, let's go back to the beginning.
Okay.
Because 3 screens, 4 screens right now.
I know.
Go back.
Zoom's Focus Mode is a new...
Let's go back one more. There you go.
There you go. Okay. So now we're all back. We're all awesome. And then
Zoom's Focus Mode is a new feature designed to help students pay attention during online class by only letting them see the teacher and not each other. In this video, we'll go over what that looks like.
Hello, internet friends. Welcome back. Where's my coffee? Shall we? Today's lesson...
Zoom's Focus Mode is a new feature designed to help students pay attention during online class by only letting them see...
So that played fine.
inside
On
of Zoom.
everything.
On everything.
The second time around.
The heck is that all about? The
No
second
idea.
time. Why the second time around and not original? You know, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to stop our recording because I think we got enough recorded for us to see how that looks, right? Sorry. Am I not still recording? Stop recording, okay. I can stop the live stream too, right?
Yes, please.